Evening all. It's getting dark outside. We got to do a little bit of cooking. And I'm hungry for some grilled cheese sandwiches. Now, we got to make sure the pan's hot. And so I got a little bit of water right here. When that pan gets hot, we'll be ready to cook. Let's try that. Oh yeah, there you go. We're ready. Now, we're going to open up some of this Blue Bonnet butter, and we're going to put a boatload of butter on that bread right there. You got to put a boatload of bread on there. All kinds of butter. Just put that knife right there. And then we open up our little packet of cheese. Set that down in there. It's really easy to do. It's not hard at all. Hardest part is probably getting the cheese out of the wrapper. Squeeze that around it. Now, we got the cheese on top of the buttered bread. We got to put the second half of the buttered bread up on top of that cheese. There we go. Now here's the trick. The trick is to let that sit down there for a little bit without flipping it over. I always want to flip it over too early. But if we wait just a little bit, it'd be much better. There we go. It takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute to cook on this side. We want to be moving that bread over just a little bit. Don't get in no hurry. When you see flames coming off of it, you probably let it go too long. But don't get in no hurry. You'll be alright. It takes a little bit of practice to do this. What I mean is that you can let it sit on there too long, or you can flip it over too early, and as you go along, you'll learn what the right temperature is and the right time to let it go. Let's see what that looks like. That's it. That's it. Did you see that? Woo! That's perfect. That is perfect. Now we're going to let this go for a little bit of time, maybe 30 seconds, a minute or so. But look how nice. Look how nice that looks. We didn't make no mistake there. just takes a little bit of practice to figure out how long to let that grilled cheese sandwich and butter go on that one side. Ain't that nice? Ain't that nice? You can't beat that. Now, in the winter time, here we are, early spring, but in the winter time, these two sandwiches right here, they are perfect with hot tomato soup. You get you a bowl of tomato soup and you dunk that in cheese sandwiches down in your tomato soup. See? Oh man. Perfect. Perfect. Grilled cheese sandwiches and tomato soup. You can't beat that. You can't throw a stick at that. There we go. Let's see what the other side looks like. A little bit more. A little bit more. Maybe 30 seconds more. We'd be good to go. Stop fiddling with the people. You know me. I got to be fiddling with stuff all the time. I think that's good. I think that's good right there. Okay, we're going to let the fire out from underneath of that. We're going to call them good. All right, all. Let's go eat. All right. Look at those two grilled cheese sandwiches. I'm going to take a couple bites off this one right here. Oh, hot. Mmm. Mmm. Not hard to cook, but easy to eat. Mmm. How good. Hey, good. Don't drop on the floor, people. I try not to. I know. Thank you for stopping by. Getting something to eat with us. I always appreciate when you come over to see what we're doing next. We'll see you next time.